Hey, welcome back to day 5 of Organ Madness, and today we're gonna try to fix these. So these are the bass pedals, and they're not working quite right. So give it a we'll start up here. Yeah, listen to her purr. So pulling out this middle drawbar here should activate the organ pedals, and that one works. That one too. So yeah, it seems like, well, that one doesn't even work at all. These two are playing the same notes at the same time. So are these. And the C doesn't sound at all. It's actually raised a little bit higher than the rest. All right, so we'll try to drop the pedals out and clean the contacts or something. Let's see what's going on there. And to drop it out, it should be screw here, and 3 back there. All right, I just dropped the pedal assembly out so we could fix it up and clean it up, and already I'm seeing a little bit of a malfunction right there. What are these loose wires doing? So I've just gone about reattaching those wires with some alligator clips I had lying around, and we don't get the double note problem on 4 of the keys anymore. Except, this one still doesn't work. And I think you can see why if I push down this end note here. And then the C all the way at the bottom. You see this little tiny rod that moves up and down here is missing from the C note at the bottom. So basically what this little thing is doing is lifting these contacts up from ground so that you can hear the sound of the tone wheels as opposed to the signal being grounded out. And I actually found a little bit of that C note lifter bar down in here, so it looks like somebody was having fun with the bass pedals. And I'll just 3D print a new one. Oh, come back. What? All right, I got the 3D printed rod in this upper B note up here. And I'll put the Hammond factory one in the low C down there. All right, so I reinstalled the pedals and immediately the bottom C one broke. So what's going on here is the low C doesn't have one of these felt stoppers, which means this rod on the C ends up sitting too low, and then when you push it back up, it gets jammed somewhere up here and breaks. So I've 3D printed another rod, and I'll be adding 2 of these felt furniture feet in place of the missing felt pad. There we go. Alrighty, the bass pedals are back in. And they work. And just like that, the Hammond M3 organ has been restored to its former glory. But before we wrap up the series, I'd like to do a couple modifications. See you in the next one. Bye!